Zinc's native integration with HiBob's HRIS will help you minimise admin and keep on top of your background checks with confidence. Once you've linked Zinc with HiBob with the help of our onboarding team, in a few simple steps, you can then go ahead to find your employee by clicking on Org, navigating to the People tab, click into the employee, and once you scroll down, you'll see sections dedicated to Zinc background checks. For any new hires, as soon as they've completed their background checks on Zinc, you'll automatically receive a completed background checking report into the employee file, detailing the type of check, the date of the check, and the status. You'll receive a live link to the background checking report on Zinc. Sensitive data on Zinc will automatically be removed due to GDPR within 120 days, but you'll still have your PDF version that will remain on Bob here. All of this syncs to Bob without you having to do anything, and most checks in Zinc turn around in a matter of minutes, so you won't need to wait long. If you conduct periodic rechecks on current employees, their new reports will also automatically pull through to Zinc. You can automate your recheck schedule on Zinc and link it with Bob so that it automatically removes any employees who've left the business from your Zinc recheck schedule, making it super easy to keep on top of your rechecks.